course, what will you do if two of your favorites combine forces to make one of the most amazing Cebuano buffet ever? Well, of course, you'll leave everything behind, come to that buffet and eat. So tonight, I'm going to try out Sugbo Mercado's favorites here at Cafe Market. Can you imagine that? So that's our dinner today. If you want to learn more about this special Marco Polo buffet, watch this video. Oh, hi! Yes, at lumong mais kanon. There's, of course, our bambi. Our famous bambi. Of course, if it's Cebu and it's noodles, it must be bambi. We have calderetang kanding as well. And we have humba. H-U-M-B-A.
Yes.
Balbakuha.
I mean,
Inasal. Yes. Of course. Yes. There's puso. There's balot and mais. And of course, here's some of our favorites from Sugbo Mercado. We have Cebu's scallops. And we have cuisine Guadalupe's tuna and lechon belly. Then there's kumas, manok bisaya. Hi, lechon manok and tinuom. Whoa. And of course our local favorite local food, which is we have it's the kwek tempura, ginabot and ngoyo combination. And we have this grilled station that's can rival the best grilled station. Wow, and here's some other things that you can have. You even have saang if you want. There's sutokil. You have sutokil here. Well, if you want, this is an international buffet as well. So of course we have our dim sum favorites. We have the siomai. Oh, we have the binagungang baboy, fried rice. And a lot of veggies here. And more carvings in this station. More carvings. And we have ansar. We have roast beef. And kinupusan, as we call it. This is fried corn, but it's kinupusan. And this guy is preparing his stir fry. But we have a noodle station here where you can have, you know, different kinds of noodle soups. And by the way, we have appetizers here. We have the Japanese station.
No problem, just have dinner.
We have fruits. Hello. Different kinds of salads. And we have, this is Guy salad. It's not a gay salad, that's Guy. Or kamote tops. Wow, and kamote. Then we have buwad, dried fish. And then of course chicharon from Car. And there's Cebuano. And different kinds of kinilaw. We have the tangige. We have a guso. We have a sunlutan, lukot, lato, unbeatable. And there's even like a bread. But here are the desserts of the dessert station. Of course, here are the people behind the food. The halo-halo first. And we have cochinta, pastillas, coconut macaroons, mango float, polvoron, oh shit, biko with manga, linosak of course, oatmeal raisin cookies, and more. So our first plate is, we have bami, scallops from Cebu, of course chicharon with kusahos, and we have lechon of course, and nilarang. Good? Wow. Wow. Crazy.
Ayun, lagi ka dun sa Cebu ba? Where ano sila mag-taste with? Nakawala ko ba dun? One item lang.
Butterfly squid niya. At katapusan mahalin na, tentacles man. Pagpalit na ko, quid na naghahanas na. Taga na pakapit.
Rare, but so one of the new places that I haven't tasted at Sugbo Mercado is fruit juice bar, and for the first time I'm gonna taste squeeze of all the places here at Cafe Marco. Kasi na squeeze.
Actually, no, but
Yeah.
I've heard so much about it, so I'm so excited to try it out.
Alright, so tanawan na yung pineapple. Pineapple smoothie. Na naa sa suod sa pinya. Yeah, she loves mango. She's an Ali mango fan. And then they have swirl here if you want ice cream, of course. Hi. Wara. Yes, and until the 20th, guys, you can have it here at Cafe Marco. Can you imagine that? Wow. Plus, of course, once again, sige, ito yung remember lang, ang friends ito from Cebu, with their scallops and crablets. Of course, ang Kusina Guadalupe will have their tuna, and lechon belly, ang uma, ang manok Bisaya. But yes, dapat yun eh. So, grabe, laban, mapapalaban dito sa kaon. O, karon, I'm gonna have my second round. Second plate is basically sumblut na. It's gonna be like the salad and the vinegar plate.
First recorded Eastern Band nationwide. Nationwide pa wala na wala yung away butuan. Pero I think if masettle na sa one na biggest fan na yung video. Ang biggest fan na karon ni
Kamote yan, ginamos.
so ni form na sa mga third banda na si Dr. Mohamed
Balbakuwa.
Okay. Wapa, matisting ko.
And Doc,
Tilang ako gamay.
let's see unsay verdict ni Doc Alonso sa Balbakuwa. Let's see the verdict of the doctor. The doctor of food of Cebu.
Okay. Doon naman ko i-basis balbakuha ako. Pag-ulan dyan ko, nagtilawag balbakuha. Amigo na ko, Joel Mario, ungo kong balbakuha. So, ayun yung gamit, ikog sa Australian.
Oxtail.
Sos, lami yan. Kaya ang lutuan, crusette. Barato naman yung crusette ko, tag 17,000. Oo.
Butang na sa plato, Doc. Whoa. The gelatin.
Bisko kaya ako mo, hindi lang sa ako, balbakuha. Much better. Ganun din ni ba deserve niya?
Oh, okay ba? Huwag ko katilaw? Yes. Ligapo na itong balbakuha.
Lami.
Dari pa ka sir.
Ligapo na itong balbakuha.
So, di po ko kaulik. So, we'll not go home.
That's it.
Thank you, bro.
Grabe ka rich. Ay, grabe ka rich. Sige, tanong na natin.
Lami. That's the one. Sa?
Hindi tayo mais, Lord.
Lami.
Yung gikuha ng squeeze, gitilawan niya yung squeeze, pineapple, and kumusta man?
Super good.
And then that's the watermelon. It's really...
That's the water. No, that's mix. So you requested mix.
Oh!
Watermelon and
Oh, but really nice kuan. Ang ilang sudlanan, ha? the containers. So guys, for this week, Marco Polo is the only place in Cebu where you can enjoy Ali mango and with some linosak, biko, mango float, and pastillas. Wow. So that's my dessert, guys. I'm prepared. We love the dried mangoes that we use. Let's try it with some linosak. Ali mango. So guys, we just had an awesome dinner here once again at Cafe Marco. Sugbusog X Sugbo Mercado is 1,300 for lunch and 1,600 for dinner. It will run from January 15 until the 20th, guys. So if you're looking for the best place to eat local food and where you can see all your Sugbo Mercado favorites combined with Cebu's best theme buffet, come to Cafe Marco, guys, and for sure you're gonna enjoy. So I'm gonna ask my visitor, Armella. Armella, did you like your dinner today?
Yes.
Did you really eat?
Yeah, super.
Okay.
I got to taste yung lechon. Lechon de leche and then lechon belly. Very good.
So look at her smile, guys. So yes, thank you so much for watching. And by the way, follow her YouTube channel on the
At
Around the Metro PH, guys. And of course, Pit Senyor once again. And see you on our next adventures. Bye.